With winter setting in New Zealand and my visa only days away from expiring, I hopped on a plane and made my way back to the States. After a visit to Los Angeles and popping around the rest of the country to see friends and family, I eventually made my way to Maine to see Captain Noah Peffer and to visit one of America's most beautiful cruising grounds. Hello friends, we are on board SV Mongrel here in Maine on Islesboro, and myself and Captain Noah Peffer are going to go for a couple-day cruise here around the waters of Maine. Very excited to see what Maine has to offer. We have a couple days of forecasted good weather, so we're going to take advantage of it. So let's get out there and check it out. Just saw a porpoise. They're very small and very shy. They do not like to play with boats the way dolphins do. They're usually alone. Just cruising. I think we have like a 6-mile passage to this first place we're gonna check out. We're kind of doing this is gonna kind of be like a recon mission for Noah, so he can see stuff. He plans on keeping his boat in the water until like December. So he wants to find some kind of like hideaway holes in case there's winter storms while he's out cruising. So yeah, there's no wind, so we're just motor sailing today and gonna just enjoy it and see what there is to see. We're gonna pop into what we think is Searsport just to have a look around. It's still very mellow, not much wind, actually no wind. We had like a little gust. There's the entrance. Pretty sailboat coming out. And been dodging lots of lobster pots, which is common practice here. At least there's no fog though. And yeah, it's lovely out. Pretty boat, very pretty.
You're right, it's pretty small.
Right? 30 foot, I would guess.
Yeah, it's bigger than 30.
Outward bound. Wooden.
By the way, I did see 8 feet of water there for a second.
Oh, it's wooden. Beautiful. Wow.
Really lovely.
It's not a Troy Lee. Wow. Look at those winches. Beautiful. What do you think of this spot?
It's cool. I'll definitely come stay the night at some point.
You said you'd like the idea of anchoring over there, huh?
Yeah. Or like right there.
Yeah.
Or like, I don't know, sort of behind the schooner if it's not actually 8 feet deep. I don't know. My dad's style is just pick up a mooring and see if somebody yells. That's like full on.
Wait until someone gets sad.
Every time I go with him, he's like, I'm super nervous about it, and we grab stuff. We've never had an issue, but
That is so funny. If I did it, they would definitely come out in 5 minutes.
like I guess I wouldn't give a shit if somebody's using my mooring right now, right?
Yeah. If there's nothing on it, right?
Yeah, if I don't need it, somebody can use it.
What's our depth?
What's that?
What's our depth?
I just saw 9, now I see 20.
Funny. Weird.
I'm gonna do a hard turn right here. My favorite noise is being made.
Your chart plotter is very naggy.
Oh my god. It's a fucking terrible machine. Oh, she's learning the ways of the water.
This is Toni's first sail. She's doing very, very well.
First sail on this boat.
She's been sailing.
She sailed Sarah Abbott in Cornflake.
Oh,
I
okay.
took her sailing in Cornflake,
On
like a
Cornflake?
week after I got her.
How big is that boat?
21 feet.
Yeah. Her first sail in Mongrel. She's doing very well. She's being a very good girl, very mellow. We have a little bit of wind and a short distance, so we're gonna go ahead and do some sailing.
Oh, you're so good. That's a good girl.
She's like, I'll stand up for that.
I gotta put a bunch of halyard tension on.
You got a lobster pot here, so don't come down at all.
Yeah, I'm pinching to get past it.
Helm's a lead. What's our depth? What's our depth?
68 feet.
Wow. We're creeping up into our anchorage, trying to miss a low spot and a rock. There's a spot that you can't see above water that's like 3 feet deep, and we don't want to hit that. And then there's a rock you can see. We're gonna tuck in behind this little island. This one over here. And looks like we're gonna be anchoring in like, I don't know, 15 feet, 20 feet of water. Really cool in here, very well protected. We're gonna have a very peaceful night, sleep. First time cruising in Maine, super stoked. I like that little house on that island.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good spot. We are anchored in 20 feet of water, and we have out 5 scope, and it's beautiful here. We're gonna zigzag through all these shallows in the dinghy in a bit and take the pup ashore, go have a peekaboo, and then settle in, make some dinner, and have a nice peaceful night on the hook. This place is stunningly beautiful. Oh, there's Toni. How you doing, bro? Slipping and sliding.
Just gonna let her do it.
Yeah, she'll get used to it.
Doesn't seem to be upsetting her very much.
Nah, she's chill. Are we ready, crew?
Ready. I also forgot the dinghy pump.
Well, let's make sure it doesn't go flat then, I guess. It's probably a little low.
I think it's been okay.
Oh, look at all their heads. Oh, that was a big one. Looks like Spuds McKenzie. She's not even barking at him.
I think she's freaked out. Sea dogs, Tony. I don't think I've ever seen this many children.
There's a lot.
Tony, you're ready. You're a good girl.
You're okay, baby.
First you're excited, now you're a little scared.
Okay, baby. Oh yeah, all good. No problem.
Yeah, we didn't break anything off the engine. That's a huge win.
That's always a good thing. So, we're just eating pesto pasta for dinner. And I told Noah, I was like, notice this motion right now. It's like being on a lake. And I said, now imagine Catalina. Oh, Tony's smelling the camera. We're saying imagine Catalina Island. Like the swells there were so gnarly.
You're holding on.
Mm-hmm. What do you think of this spot?
I prefer to Catalina by quite a lot.
But
and we can anchor.
as far as places you've been in Maine, what do you think of this?
I mean, it's definitely one of the best.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard to picture anything being much better than this.
What is this bay even called, do you know?
We're in Smith's Cove.
Not in the town is Brooksville.
Brooksville, but like people think of this as being kind of Castine area.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Castine is like the port, or not the port, but like where the maritime school is and where we drove by earlier. They have shops and restaurants and stuff, but we're like way up in the hurricane hole. Really cool spot.
Yeah, it's amazing. Silent. Absolute silent.
Totally silent. Beautiful sunset happening. And then where are we going tomorrow?
Pulpits Harbor.
On what's the name of the island?
North Haven, I hope.
Due south of here. That's the plan.
Unless something else like looks
Pops
better
up.
along the way.
It's only 13 miles away, but it's time to finish dinner. I'm gonna crawl into my hole. This fool's gonna watch Magnum PI.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect day.
Yep. Eat a buttload of cookies.
That's right. If you enjoy the content on this channel and would like to contribute, you can consider joining the Patreon crew. Thanks for watching. Fair winds until next time.